We'll start this morning with a proclamation from Councilmember Tony Atkins, item 31, proclaiming June 17, 2008 to be Murtaza-Baxamusa-Day.
It is really a pleasure to celebrate not only your PhD, but you know, I thought you had a PhD long ago, but I know that you were busy doing a lot of those wonderful brochures and the backup and the analysis and the research and the work that goes into a number of the informational pieces. And I know you're going to credit a lot of your staff for that too, but I just want to say those wonderful pieces we get on San Diego from CPI are the direct result of a lot of the work that he has done. And I want to say how much we appreciate that, because he also makes our job, you know, we have to follow along. And the presentations are really good. A lot of analysis and work goes into it, and we learn a lot. So whether it's at the Budget Committee, the Rules Committee, the whole City Council, I always look forward to your trips down to see what you're going to tell us that we have not as yet been told. So it's really an honor to celebrate with you and your family and the staff and your supporters and so many people in San Diego who support the work of CPI. We're celebrating your completion of your doctoral degree in planning. I've been upstage by children many times. Brian is the only one that knows how to handle that well. I have no experience. But yeah, we're celebrating the fact that you completed this doctorate degree in planning from the University of Southern California. So that means he's been going back and forth. In addition to working, being a father, a husband, he's been studying very hard. He's a true leader who's left a tremendous mark on public policy in San Diego, and that is why it is truly an honor to recognize you today. And so I will read a couple of the whereases. I found some of them pretty interesting. He is the Director of Research and Policy at the Center on Policy Initiatives, we call it CPI, certified by the American Planning Association, and is a member of the Urban Land Institute. And whereas as Research and Policy Director at CPI, he develops and presents policy proposals to the City Council and other local entities on issues related to economic development, affordable housing, community benefits, budgeting and finance, development and planning. He directs CPI's larger research program where he produces reports on healthcare coverage by employers of various industries, the cost of living versus wages in San Diego, the overuse of temporary work, poverty and income in San Diego, employment rates, and other issues. Throughout his work with CPI, Murtaza-Baxamusa has written numerous issue briefs, including background documentation on topics under consideration by local government agencies, where he frequently is interviewed in the local media and publishes opinion pieces on many of these topics. Last month, he received his doctoral degree in planning from the University of Southern California. He is the author of the Bottom Line report, which looks at structural issues surrounding the City of San Diego's budget. Let me pause there for just a moment. In effect. And whereas Dr. Murtaza-Baxamusa currently serves on the Board of Directors of the San Diego City County Reinvestment Task Force and has previously studied economic development for the United States Department of Commerce and comprehensive economic development strategies for the cities in the Los Angeles region while working for the University of Southern California Center for Economic Development. Originally from India, he and his wife, Alethea, have lived in San Diego for 8 years, have 2 daughters, and therefore, for all of this work and the free work that we have gotten, Ms. Tubman, in analysis, which I'm grateful for, it is for those reasons and many more that the Mayor and the Council, on behalf of the people of San Diego, commends and thanks Dr. Murtaza-Baxamusa for the imprint he has left and continues to leave on the City of San Diego. And therefore, June 17, 2008 is hereby proclaimed to be Dr. Murtaza-Baxamusa-Day in the City of San Diego.